Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kia Access EV services with UVO Connect, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Kia vehicle is parked safely and turned on. Next, locate your smartphone and download the Kia Access app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the Kia Access app. If you are a first-time user, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. You will receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the link to verify your email address. After verification, return to the Kia Access app and log in with your new account credentials. Now, ensure your vehicle is equipped with UVO Connect services. Locate your vehicle identification number, or VIN, which is typically found on the driver's side dashboard or door jamb. In the app, tap on Add Vehicle to enter your VIN. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your vehicle to your Kia Access account. Once your vehicle is successfully added, navigate to the EV Services section within the app. You will see options for enabling various EV services. Tap on Enable to turn on these features. Review the terms and conditions, then accept to proceed with enabling the services. The app will confirm that the EV services are now active. You can now explore additional features, such as remote charging and climate control. To check the status of your vehicle, return to the main dashboard of the app. Here, you can monitor battery levels and receive alerts directly to your phone. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Kia Access EV services with UVO Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.